What are Creative Commons licenses? Creative Commons is a non-profit organization founded in the USA in 2001 that allows universal access to research, education, and culture through open use licenses. Creative Commons licenses help to grant copyright permissions to the general public. There are 6 attribution licenses and 1 public domain license. It is important that you specify which one of the 7 legal tools you are applying to your material. The license chooser can help decide which license is right for you. Creative Commons licenses may be applied to any type of copyrightable work, but it is not advisable to use them for computer software and hardware, where the use of a standard free software license is recommended. If you hold the rights to a work, but would like to place it in the public domain, you can mark it as public domain. The most appropriate Creative Commons license must be identified in the document. This marking can be as simple as a bit of text stating the license in a copyright notice, or as complex as embedding the license information on a website using the HTML code associated with the particular license. It is strongly recommended to include a link to the applicable license. As a creator licensing a work, among other considerations, you should remember that once you have applied a Creative Commons license to your work, you cannot revoke it. Choose the license based on how you want the material to be used. Let people explicitly know how to credit you, or whether you want credit at all. Practical example. To make it easier to assign a license to a document, one uses the License Chooser tool. To access this service, type Creative Commons in the search engine. When you access the Creative Commons website, select the Licenses and Tools menu. Then click on the link RChooser and follow the steps according to the license you want. If you already know which license is suitable for your document, choose Yes, and then select the license you want. For this example, we don't know which license we need, and we press Next. This point refers to the attribution of recognition as a creator. For this example, let's say Yes. Next, we are asked if we want to allow others to use our intellectual property for commercial purposes. We say No. The next question asks us if we wish to allow others to remix, adapt, or build upon the intellectual content of our document. Here in this example, we say Yes. We are then asked if we accept that others share these adaptations of our work, or if, in order to do so, they are required to use the same license. We say No. Finally, we confirm that we have the authority to license the document, that we have read the terms of the license, and that we know that the license is irrevocable. At the end, one can either fill in the form or not. The license data is already available to be copied to our document, but if we want to have a more personalized license, we can fill in the form. All the fields are optional, but each piece of metadata will serve to better identify the work and the creator. We will fill in this form with information about the video being made. And finally, we insert the license in the document. If you have any questions regarding the application of Creative Commons licenses, you can consult the Creative Commons Wiki website. Select Marking and mark your work. Or you can contact the library team via the email address bist@tecnico.ulisboa.pt.